Sciatica risk, 300 micrograms of adrenaline is indicated as per the CPGs. This is my adrenaline. The expiry date is 2019.
Yeah. These two. And then more out here. Yeah.
There's 300 lines. Use our sharp needle. IM's put in on the deltoid, so we're going to swab it, let it dry. Sharps are out. Pinch the skin, put it in, aspirate back to check we haven't hit a blood vessel, and in it goes. Sharps out, sharps away.